Everybody, this is Oscar, and today I'm reporting on one of those key moments in life. I have checked into the hospital today. Tomorrow, I will be undergoing hip replacement surgery, and of course, in this Italian medical system, which is absolutely phenomenal. High quality service, and to think that you have this service at no cost to you. I find it incredible. But it's what civilized nations do, isn't it? And so I will remain here for a few days, return back home, undergo some therapy, continue with especially my yoga practice, and in no time at all, I will be back to tango dancing and biking all over Rome, in this most beautiful city in the whole world. Well, I'll see you later. Have a good one.